We're on the corner of Hope and 6th Street, across from Washington School in Merrill. New listing. This is a nice little 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Great starter home and 1-car garage. Great location, very close parks and fairgrounds, and obviously right across from the school. So coming in off of the breezeway, there is an entryway here. You can go up into the kitchen, or this goes down into the basement. Kitchen, it's a nice bright sunny day. The cabinets are oak. You've got a dishwasher, electric stove, range hood, refrigerator included. Then this leads into, so this is the 2nd bedroom. You've got paneling here. She did have it set up for the washer dryer to be on the main level, but you could move that and this could be the 2nd bedroom. Storage, linen there. Bathroom has been updated, really nice shower, no lip shower, set up with the bidet. So coming in the front door, this is the main larger bedroom. It does have closets, some extra storage up there. You have a little entryway, place to hang up coats. The windows had been updated at one point. They are not the original, not brand new, but not the original. You've got a nice living room area, dining room area here. That leads into the kitchen, bathroom. So you can see some of the windows insulated. So coming down into the basement, they do have another laundry area, slop sink, and then this is a workshop area, shelving. This is where the city water comes in. The furnace and hot water heater were updated in about 2008, we believe, end of 2008. Got a gas hot water heater, 100 amp electrical service. So you've got patio doors out of the breezeway that go to a nice side yard. This comes in the front entrance or the back entrance. And then you've got the 1-car garage, nice storage. And then there is a storage shed over here. Keep the lawnmower. You got a little bit of a side yard here. There is some clothesline.